Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the depth effect on iOS 16 lock screen wallpaper. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. Depth effect is where your time on the lock screen appears behind a subject within a wallpaper. As you probably noticed, not every wallpaper works with depth effect. To create a custom wallpaper, you'll need a photo with an easily recognizable object in focus. It doesn't matter whether that's a person or a thing. It doesn't have to be a portrait photo with a blurred background. Regular photos should work. So let me show you how to use it. So first, we'll basically swipe from the top to bring your notification center. Now we'll tap and hold on the lock screen. Now swipe left until you come to add new screen. Tap on the plus sign. Then at the top here, tap on photos. From your camera roll, select a photo. Here, select a photo where the subject and the background is easily recognizable. So for example, a messy photo won't work as the depth effect won't recognize it properly. Now tap on the three dots here at the bottom right. And as you can see, depth filter has already been enabled. And as you can see, the time is behind the person, the subject. Now you can use your fingers to zoom in or zoom out. So you need to make sure the subject is not covering the time, or else the depth effect won't work. And if you have some widgets here, your depth effect won't work as well. Okay, let's select another photo. Once you're done, tap on Add at the top right. Then tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair. And that is how to use the depth effect on iOS 16 lock screen. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.